Hello everyone, today we're going to replace a screen for Doogee N10. It's a Chinese handset and the problem is the touch is completely not working, as you can see. Okay, so we got the right replacement. By the way, this is model N10. Okay, so now we got the replacement. This is the screen. As you can see, this one only one flex. Okay, so first is first, what we're gonna do, we're gonna turn off the handset first, but because of obviously touch is not working, so we don't care about it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take out the SIM first, if there is anything. Okay, fine. And we need a couple of equipment, we might need it. First of all, we're gonna keep a flat tool, which is very important. And I always like, in case, I like paper blade, plastic blade. This one's really good to cut the glue. Okay, and then obviously if you need screwdriver, we don't know yet. And by the way, this one comes with some kinds of equipment. Okay, it comes with the guitar pick and double-sided tape. Okay, so might be your screen doesn't comes with that, so if you don't have double-sided tape, make sure you do have. Sometimes I do prefer the glue, which is B7000. Okay, this is really good. Also I keep it on the side, you never know. So now we're gonna take out the back cover, which is that one. Okay, so first we're gonna take out the black case, the battery back. It's very simple. You can use your nails, but sometimes nails could get broken. Very careful, don't get injured yourself. As you can see, yeah. Okay, fine, good. So now we're gonna open up all the screws that we can see. I'm gonna use my own screwdriver. So now all the screws already open. Still the phone is not turned off because of the charger is not working. The touch is not working. So right now I'm gonna open this bezel. As you can see, the bezel is very simple. Okay, you can use guitar pick, you can use your fingertip, the things that you like. Fine, almost done. Good. Okay, so now we're going to disconnect the battery first, which is that one. Now it's safe to do any of those things, and we'll try to take out the battery as well. That's fine. Now let's compare the flex. As you can see, the flex, so this is the flex. Okay, we don't need to worry about any other connection, so let's disconnect it. Fine. Now what we need to do, we need to put a lot of temperature in here, and then when it melts down a little bit, we pull it out. Okay, so first is first, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a lot of temperature. I don't want to blow away all the screws, so I'm gonna absolutely brilliant, it's working. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna turn it off first. Power off. Good. And disconnect the connector, leave it here. Okay, secure all the screws, disconnect the battery again, and try to put much more temperature in here. I think that's wow, it's really hot. Okay, use the suction cap, try to pull it if you can make a gap. Yep, as you can see here, is coming out. It's brilliant. Simple. Fine. Okay, so that's the actual screen. Let's check what happened here. Okay. Anyway, somehow this is not working. That is no more functional. Okay. We're gonna put this back. It goes like that. Okay. But before you do, we're gonna put some double-sided tape in here. Fine. Let's take out another one. Glue in here. Very little amount. Fine. So the glue application done. Good. Yeah. and this side is flat. You can put pressure in here, doesn't matter. Yep. Good. That is brilliant. Now I'm gonna put it back here. I'm gonna put the mid frame. Okay, very careful, this one always come off. Good. And then this. Now we need to put all the screws one by one. Okay, so the screen is working now. I'm gonna put the SIM tray and the back cover. So it's working fine. Everything is good. I'm gonna charge and see if it is charging or not. It's charging, so that is brilliant. Okay.